to the first in the series of the 1/6 RC Cromwell tank build. It's going to be 3D printed. As you can see, there's some printing going on right now. I'll just give you a bit of a sense of scale. You know, it's hard to get that from a video, but you know, here's my hand. This is the roof section of the turret, and then some wall sections of the turret there as well. And then we have things like the main gun, which is made up of 3 different pieces. It's got that weird yellowy look to it at the moment because I've prime filled it, ready for painting. But yeah, you can probably see from the video that there's a lot of multicolored things going on. The reason for that is just because I didn't want to waste a load of filament and buy loads of new stuff. So instead I used what I have. It's all going to be painted anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So going forward, the next thing is we have the hull pieces. This is one of the hull pieces at the back. I think is the back or the front. It's hard to tell. I think this is the back or front. This is where the track tensioners will go, and then we just got another sort of intermittent piece in the middle there. It's going to be about 10 sections long. No, sorry, 5 sections long. So 4 more of these out that way. So it is a beast. It's probably going to measure over about just over 1 meter long and 1/2 meter wide. It'll weigh about 30 kilos, or yeah, something around that mark, probably heavier once all the motors, batteries and all the other gear is in there. Another thing to show you is this is a track piece. So that's one of them is there. Funnily enough, this is made of ABS and it took 40 minutes to print, just that one. So yeah, that's going to be fun when I need 240 of them. This is one of the wheels. So yeah, it's quite massive. So that sort of, you know, sits on the side like that. There'll be 5 of those. I'll have to confirm that. And then we've got this is the tensioner wheel. But these will have tyres on them as well, so I'll do TPU tyres around the edges, so that'd be quite cool. As for my printer, I'm using a Creality K2 Plus. As you can see, it's been printing a lot lately. I've had a few print failures. I was having some issues with some ABS I had, and basically what was happening is it was just coming unstuck from the print bed and being knocked over by the print head. So I switched over to using PETG, and I'm having a lot more success with that. You can see it's printing now. It's a bit of a weird color plastic, but it doesn't matter. It's stupidly strong, so yeah, that'll be fine. But yeah, PETG seems to be the one because it stays stuck down. I will continue using ABS for some of the parts. So like the turret here is all made of ABS. So I've got one more, just put that over there for a minute. I've got one more section here to do, and then I can start sort of gluing and screwing that together. And then, yeah, a lot more bits for the gun to do. But yeah, so I thought at this point I'd talk about, I've got a bit of a series sponsor for the whole video. So that's quite exciting. So it's a company called GWR Fasteners. They're based in Shropshire. They sell pretty much everything you can think of to do with, yeah, screws, fasteners, bolts, nuts, everything like that. So yeah, they've been kind enough to actually send me over 800 parts to put this tank together. But yeah, this is a fairly short video. I just wanted to sort of, you know, introduce the whole project. And part of that is it's not just going to be building a tank and sitting there and putting screws in and stuff like that. It's the process behind it. So the 3D printing, you know, the workshop videos, and you know how I'll you know, utilize this space in a good way. And then yeah, like all the tools behind it and all that sort of thing. It's all going to be quite an interesting series. We're doing all the electronics. I'm going to have smoke machines built in. I might even make my own smoke machines for the engine and the gun. And then eventually we'll get to a point where we're filming it driving around, and you know, trying to heave that in and out of a car. So that'll be fun. But yeah, I think that's it. Stay tuned for more videos. As I said before, I'm printing the hull at the moment, so the next video I do will probably be a video of me putting the hull together, and then I can sort of really show you how big this tank is going to be. The videos really don't do it justice. It is enormous. So, but yeah, please subscribe. That'd be great if you can, and like and comment, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.